One wire right there. This is the way to do this, Grant.
Yeah, this is easy.
That's how you remove a cap.
Heck yeah.
Alright, stripped down. Now we got to pull the motor, trans, T-case, and however many pounds of red cinder rock dust is on this silly thing. Grant's still here helping out, making it really easy for us. Grant's from Carrot Customs. You guys can look that place up too. They got a YouTube channel as well. Yeah. She bled green coolant everywhere, so that's nice. Why don't you go get a drink of water so you can stop hiccuping?
Hiccups are killing me.
And Nathan's a little dirty. You're gonna have a hell of a cleanup on my floor here.
Yeah.
Mopping and everything else.
Yeah.
So basically I think on this, Grant, correct me if I'm wrong, we're gonna pull all the fuel lines, all the brake lines, just pull everything and take everything from the other truck and put on this one.
Yep.
All we really want on this is frame rails, yeah, cross members, hanger bolts and stuff like that. Other than that, we don't really want anything else, do we?
No.
Because we want to have all the diesel stuff from the other truck. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Cool. All right. Well, we're going to tear into this a little bit more, and we'll be back with you guys in a bit. All right. This is escalating quickly. Drive line's out. Nathan's laying underneath there in the coolant and the oil. Slip yoke's out. Carrier bearings out. All the wiring's pulled out. Grant's got all the motor mounts off. We got the cherry picker set up here. Going to pull the motor, trans, and T-case out as one unit, set it on the floor, and then we'll split all the pieces up because we're going to need parts and pieces off everything. And stay tuned, possibly Grant might take this motor and shove it in a little half-ton shorty F-150 with a 460. That'd be pretty much a hot rod. So we'll see. He's contemplating doing a little research first to make sure it's not more than he wants to take on for a winter project, but
Well, I've got a Bronco too that has a blown engine, and I had a 5.0 for it, but
well, why not put a
I
460
think
in?
a 460 would be a little more
Yeah,
fun.
and probably get the same mileage.
Probably. Make some good noises.
Yep. So stay tuned for that. I'm sure that'll be on John's channel, Carrot Customs. They'll probably do a little feature on that at some point. Jump over to their channel if you guys want. Take a look. Their Grant's 7.3 Power Stroke Bronco project is on there, along with a bunch of other stuff that they've been working on lately. So, all right, I'm going to turn this off so these guys can keep working. But next time you see this here on the next clip will probably be the motor, training, T-case out on the floor in a bare frame. All right, so you'll notice the something's missing. It'd be the entire chassis, and there's an awful lot of vehicle blood on the floor. Grant and Nathan are separating the engine, trans, and T-case right now, and that will be it for today. Then Nathan has a whole pile of cleanup. But yeah, pretty awesome.
There she is.
Release!
Is this bolt down here still in?
No, well, is it dirty? No, it's not holding.
All right, I'll take you guys outside real quick and show you the chassis. Lucy's out here helping. So, this needs a severe hot water power wash. We will be using that front axle. It'll have all new suspension and steering. We'll not be using that axle. We used Nathan's axle from his other truck and all new suspension from Carrick Customs on the back. We'll pressure wash this whole chassis, clean everything up, Nathan will, and then he's going to wire wheel it and he's going to paint it with steel it black. And we'll pull all the fuel lines and all the electrical and everything out of this, because everything from the other truck will go into this. We're using nothing from this except the frame rails, suspension hangers, and the front axle.